Located in the heart of Africa, Gabon offers an ocean of opportunities, abundance of mineral resources. Manganese being the most pertinent, mining contributes to 40% of the country's GDP. One company that stands out is Nouvelle Gabon Mining. With visionaries at the helm, NGM was one of the first companies to recognize the potential of the country. In the early 2000s, the vast deposits of manganese were identified in the picturesque province of Franceville, about 650 kilometers from the capital city, Libreville. The management put together a team of experts and established Nouvelle Gabon Mining. The company acquired the mining license through a single window clearance in 2013 and built its first manganese processing plant, which began production in January 2017. Since then, the company has never looked back. Nouvelle Gabon Mining, with its strategic and sustainable mining processes, is creating a new chapter in the history of mining in the country. Spread over an area of 850 square kilometers, NGM's mines are some of the biggest open-cast manganese extraction zones of the country. In no time, NGM has become synonym to world-class production of two types of finished or concentrated products, namely lump and fine, produced almost in equal volume. The company leverages technology in all its processes and believes that automation is the key to productivity. With state-of-the-art machineries running 24/7 in different shifts, NGM has achieved an annual capacity of 300,000 tons of manganese at an average content of 42%. Nouvelle Gabon Mining has its site set at producing 1.7 million tons of concentrate by 2019, with the launch of a second plant as the second phase of the project. The company is not only popularizing manganese of Franceville, but also providing employment opportunities to the people of the region. Through its skill development programs, NGM arms the vast human resource of the region with competency and absorbs the skilled workers into its operations, bringing holistic development to the province. With great accomplishment in short span of time, through out-of-the-box mining processes and the zeal for innovation, Nouvelle Gabon Mining is well on its course to become the most bankable name in the mining sector.